Hello everyone. In this video lesson we will learn naming alkanes and classification of them. There are two types of naming. One is IUPAC naming, which we call it systematic naming. The other one is common name. Classification of alkanes. Ethane, we call this unsubstituted alkenes. In ethane, there are 4 hydrogen atoms. If we replace one of the hydrogen with a substituent, then we call this monosubstituted alkene. If we replace 2 of the hydrogens with 2 substituents, we call this disubstituted alkenes. If we replace 3 of the hydrogens with 3 substituents, we call this 3 substituted alkenes. If we replace all of the hydrogens, we call this tetrasubstituted alkenes. Okay, let's name this molecule. This molecule, as you can see, has 2 carbon atoms. These carbon atoms are connected each other by a sigma and pi bond. Therefore, we call this ethene suffix. Parent name, 2 carbon atoms. Suffix is indicating the presence of pi bonds. This molecule has 3 carbon atoms, therefore parent name is propan. But this molecule has a pi bond, therefore we add N suffix. 3 carbon atoms, N suffix, propan. This molecule has a branch, so we need to find the longest chain. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we need to indicate the position of pi bond. 3 carbon atom has a propan parent name, but there is a pi bond in this molecule, so we add suffix. This pi bond is at the 1 position. So 1 position, 2 position, 3 position. So 2 position has, let's write this, parent name is prop. Suffix indicates the presence of pi bond. This molecule has a substituent at the 2 position. And we need to add this as a suffix. To methyl prop 1N. Okay, let's name this molecule. This molecule has also a branch. We need to find the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, parent name is butane, but at the 2 position there is a pi bond. One, let's use red pen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Parent name is butane, and there is a pi bond at the 2 position. Therefore, we need to add a suffix of in, butane, n, butane. At the 2 position, there is also a methyl group. We need to add this 2 methyl as a prefix. Prefix, parent name, suffix indicating the position of pi bond. This molecule has a branch, so therefore we need to find the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon is the longest chain. At the 2 position there is a pi bond. Let's parent name is butan, but there is a pi bond at the 2 position. We need to add butan as a suffix. 1, 2, 3, 4. At the 2 position there is a substituent at 2 methyl, and at the 3 position there is also methyl. We need to add these 2 substituents as a prefix. These 2 together, we need to say 2 dimethyl. This is the suffix we need to add. So 2, 3 dimethyl, this is the prefix. This is the parent name butane, because molecule has the longest chain, 4 atoms, butane. At the 2 position there is a pi bond which indicates N. So this is how we name alkane molecules in a systematic way. There are also common names of the alkane molecules. Some of them has a common name. Ethane, for example, has a common name of ethylene. Propan has a common name of propylene. This molecule 2-methyl prop 1N has a common name of isobutylene. Okay, now let's learn how to classify these alkane molecules. We indicated ethane is an unsubstituted alkane. Unsubstituted, because ethane has 4 hydrogen atoms. As you can see, this carbon in this molecule has a 1 substituent. This hydrogen now substituted by a methyl group. So therefore, this molecule is monosubstituted. Monosubstituted alkene. This molecule, as you can see, has two substituents. These hydrogens are substituted by methyl groups. Therefore, this molecule is a disubstituted alkene. This molecule, as you can see, has three substituents. All of these hydrogens are replaced by methyl groups. We call this 3-substituted alkene. This molecule now has 4 substituents. All of the hydrogen atoms are substituted by methyl groups. Therefore, this molecule is a tetrasubstituted alkene. Okay, in this video lesson, we have learned how to name alkane molecules in a systematic way and how we classify them according to the presence of substituents. Thanks for listening this video.